welcome back to my channel today. So we do lots of unboxings over here, and today we're going to be diving into my icon box from Ipsy. But one thing that I want to bring to the table before I get into this is the whole price increase. It's become such a regular reoccurrence that I'm starting to dread October just for an Ipsy price increase reason. I mean, you guys, I feel like it's every October we're getting hit for another $2 off of these boxes. So I don't know if anybody else is feeling like this, but I was like, you know what? I just want to put this out there that Ipsy, I understand you are a business and you definitely have to have business goals. I get that. But this every year thing is starting to get really old. Especially because we all know we are not getting anything additional out of it. I mean, yes, we can say on paper, oh, you're going to get better brands, you're going to get more products here or there. I have yet to see that. To me, we're getting the same things that we've always gotten, but now we're getting an extra $2 price increase out of it. So if you guys would like to vent out your frustrations or anything like that, feel free to comment down below. You can share it all there. This is a safe space. Believe me, you're not going to hurt my feelings at all because honestly, at this point, I feel like it is just a little bit much. So like I said, we are diving into my November icon box from Ipsy. And I gotta say, I have no idea what I customized this with. I know that sounds terrible. I know I customized it and I've remembered thinking, wow, I got some really great products for November. But I can't remember a single thing. The only thing I remember is that Pat McGrath was curating this box for November. So I know that she has items in this, but I don't even remember what they were. Is that not terrible? You guys, it's too many boxes, and with the advent calendars right now, like my head is just spinning, and I have products everywhere right now. Like there's just so much happening at my house. It's kind of crazy. So I just don't remember. So forgive me, but I think it's good. We're gonna find out. If you guys would like to sign up and purchase anything from Ipsy, I do have a link down below for you guys. In order to receive the icon box for November, you have to be enrolled in either their Glam Bag or their Boxy Charm box. Once you're enrolled in that, the icon box is considered an upgrade to one of those two subscriptions. So then you'll be able to get the icon box here in November. But it's only a quarterly box, so you have to get it here in November in order to get a chance at any of these items. I am excited to see Pat McGrath. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw the spoilers, it looked so exciting. I do feel like she's one of the best MUAs out there. She's so talented. She's got a really great lineup with beauty products. So very excited to see what she brings to the table inside of our icon box this time. Oh! You guys, can you tell I'm on a gold trip lately? First item inside of my box today is from the queen herself. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Divine Rose Luxe Quad. The shade name is called Eternal Eden. So this is going to be an eyeshadow palette with 4 shades inside. And then like I said, it's Eternal Eden. This feels heavy, you guys. Like this palette has got some weight to it. So this is what it will look like here outside of the box. And I love on the back, it says use without caution. Is that not cool? I love it. So inside we do have a mirror, and then down below you're gonna have your 4 shades. Oh, she's cute. Look at that. Definitely flirty. This is super cute. Like, I love you got the pink undertone, and there's a pink undertone in all of these shades. So even though this looks like a really dark brown, it's got more of a pink mauve color going on here. It's very, very pretty. I'm so excited to get some of her products, you guys. Like, this was an excellent icon to have this time. Ipsy also chose another item for me from the Pat McGrath collection. It is the Dark Star Mascara. So this is a full-size mascara. It is in the shade black. Now, I've not tried her mascara out before, but the name alone, I just feel like this has to be amazing, right? Like, I just don't think Pat McGrath would ever put anything out that she wouldn't use herself. So I'm already excited about having this brand in here, about trying her products. This is one that I really do want to try. So it's a black mascara with a really fuzzy applicator. The wand itself has an hourglass shape. This reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara wand. It's also got that hourglass shape, and it does a really great job of coating all of my lashes. The only thing I don't like about Too Faced is I have fallout throughout the day with their mascara. But I'm hoping that since this is by the Queen, maybe we won't have that issue. We also have Bobbi Brown inside of my icon box, another icon. This is the highlighting powder, and the shade is Pink Glow. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Bobbi Brown Cosmetics, again, she herself is an amazing makeup artist. She has a really fantastic collection. This is that gorgeous highlighter. Oh, look at that. You can see the blend, that it's like really brilliant shimmer. You've got that champagne in there, a little bit of pink. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this is such a good box, and I'm only 3 products in. The other item that Ipsy chose for me is the Quick Flick, and it says it's for perfect wings. Ah, well, I get why they chose it for me because I'm obsessed with doing wings. So this has 2 items in it. They're both in intense black, and it says that left and right winged stamps. Oh, so there's a stamp on both of them. One's for the left wing, one's for the right wing, and then it's also got the felt tip liner on the other end. That way you can fill it in, go across the hood of your eyes as well. That is genius. I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like here. And then you've got your stamp, that felt tip. Okay, where did my knife go? There it is. I gotta pull this out. We gotta look at this. That is such a genius idea because seriously, I've seen this with these stamps before that you can't have it go just one way. Otherwise, the wing looks so dorky on the other side. You've got to have 2 stamps. I'm so pumped. So here's what it looks like. And then it will tell you this is the right wing because you've got the R here. And then this is what the wing itself will look like. And then you've got that felt tip liner on the other end. And then for your left wing, you're going to use this one instead. So smart. So now I'm going to show you guys the items that I chose for my box. Now I did have to pull up my Ipsy app because like I said, I have no idea what I chose, but I did pick some good items. So the first item that I picked for my box is Huda Beauty. This is the Cheeky Tint Blush Stick. It is a full-size product, so it looks a little small, but it is full-size. The shade that we have is a peach color, and this is essentially a cream blush stick. And what you'll do is you'll just take this stick and you can just dab a little bit on. You can blend it out with a brush, your fingers, whatever you would like. The great thing is you can also apply this blush anywhere. Sometimes people will like to put it a little on their nose or on their Cupid's bow. So this is great since it's a cream product. It can kind of go anywhere. Gorgeous color though. I do like the shade. Huh, it kind of gives me a nose. Look at that. Like now I got a clown nose. I'm so weird. Next item that I chose in my box is Too Faced Cosmetics. After I just threw shade about their mascara, and now it's in my box. This is the Sun Bunny Radiant Duotone Bronzer. So full-size palette here, and it says it will give you the perfect California tan year-round without ever looking orange. There's a slight pink undertone, and it says it will mimic the flush that a real tan has for an authentic radiance that looks natural. So I think it's kind of a genius concept. I will definitely try this out because I would love to have a California tan in winter. So here's what it looks like. Very cute. It's got that special Too Faced magic to it. And then inside you do have a mirror, and then you're gonna have that bronzing glow. I love that there's a pink undertone too, because I feel like it will look more natural, but also it's going to work with my skin. It's not going to be too dark. So I'm excited to try it. I've never used it, but I think it's going to work for me. You know, I feel like my icon box just went shopping at Sephora and just picked out Huda, and we got Bobbi Brown, we got Pat McGrath, we got Too Faced. You know what I mean? Like every item so far feels like I went shopping at Sephora, which it should, considering we have a price increase coming up. Next item that I chose for my box, really isn't a surprise. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I'm obsessed with commodity fragrances. So this is the gold scent. Commodity has lots of different scents available, but this is the scent that was offered on Ipsy. It is a full-size box, and this perfume is also sealed, which I love. I love picking these up in subscription boxes because they're expensive. These will cost you way more than what my entire box cost me. $70. That's what it says in my newspaper here. So $70 for that fragrance. That one item paid for my entire box. Next item that I chose in my box is the gold clutch. Bet you didn't see that one coming. I know, usually I'm always about the makeup, the skincare, but this one was speaking my language. I loved the gold, and honestly, I could see myself using this quite a bit. So it's just a croc clutch, and it is a faux croc look. So it is all vegan. You don't have to worry about it being the real thing. But this is going to have a snap here on the front, and then it's all lined inside with black. I love the shape, but also this is made really well. I've opened up so many Ipsy bags over the years, including their mystery bags, and this is made better than a lot of the other bags that I've had. So I really like the quality on this one. This was $18, and I believe you could add this on or purchase it in their shop as well. So if you guys wanted to buy this one, I think you can still get it. But I just thought it was super cute. Love the gold. It'll match everything. I loved it. So the next item that I'm going to share with you guys is my beauty boost, meaning I paid an additional $15 this month to receive one extra full-size product inside of my box. Now, when you spend that $15, they will select one automatically for you, but you can swap it for different items in that category. You'll still only get one product, but you do get to make the choice as to what that item is. I did not swap. I thought this was an amazing beauty boost item for November. So I received the Huda Beauty Empowered Eyeshadow Palette for $15, you guys. I mean, this palette's like 65 bucks, right? Like if you go to Sephora, it's not gonna be $15. I paid $15. This is what was available for November. I'm in love. This is one of the best beauty boosts of the year. So very excited to have this palette. I do not have this one in my collection, but Huda Beauty is one of my favorite brands, and I have a lot of her eyeshadow palettes, but I don't have this one. And so now I do. So excited. You got this gold vibe going on again. I mean, this box is just so good this month. And then inside you're gonna have a mirror and all of these gorgeous shadows. So you're going to see there's going to be golds in here, but there's also going to be some dark shades as well. That way you can really get sultry and smoky. I mean, there's little pops of color, but the shimmers are on point. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's just unbelievable. I mean, where else can you find an eyeshadow palette like this for $15? I mean, holy bananas. Once again, the Icon box kills it. And I will tell you, it is my favorite box that Ipsy offers. If it wasn't for this box, I don't know that I would stick around as long as I have as their subscriber. But this box always pays for my membership, and I love the items that I get. I mean, like I said, it feels like I just went shopping at Sephora and got all of this great stuff, and in reality, it was only $58 for the box and $15 for my eyeshadow palette here. So, I mean, you guys, this is a steal. And before anyone says it, I do pay for this box. Believe me, I pay for everything with Ipsy. This is not a PR unboxing. It is not sent to me. I have no affiliation with Ipsy whatsoever. So this is a box that I paid for, and I'm really, really glad I did because it was worth every penny. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of the day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!